Assalamualaikum. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I am going to teach you this time zone cannot be set manually due to device restriction on iPhone. Solution number 1, turn off location services. First go to settings app on your iPhone. Swipe down and click on privacy. On the next page, click on location services. Turn off location services. Solution number 2, turn off screen time. Go to settings app on your iPhone. Swipe down and click on screen time. Swipe down the screen to bottom and click on turn off screen time. Then it will prompt you to confirm the action. Click turn off screen time. Solution number 3, restart your iPhone. Go to settings app on your iPhone. Swipe down and click on general. Next click on shutdown. Turn off your device by dragging the power off slider to the right side. Then wait for few seconds and turn your device back on. Thanks for watching this video. Do like, share and subscribe to the channel.